Welcome again to listening course. This is a common story, The Ant and the Grasshopper. The ant and the grasshopper were good friends. In the summer, the ant works hard to fill his storage with food, while the grasshopper was enjoying the fine weather and playing all day. When winter came, the ant was laying cozily in his home surrounded by the food he stored during the summer, while the grasshopper was in his home hungry and lazy. He asked the ant for food and the ant gave him some, but it wasn't enough to last the entire winter. When he tried to ask the ant again, the latter replied, "I am sorry, my friend, but my food is just enough for my family to last until the end of winter. If I give you more, we too will starve. We had entire summer to prepare for winter, but you choose to play instead." So, the moral we get from this story is if you have a lot right now, try to save some of it for it. That was the story of today. You will find Arabic translation in the description. Thank you for listening.